Now we're just pulling onto the gravel road that leads back out to the farm there, and we have washboards on the washboard stuff on the gravel road here. Well, I'm gonna put her back and forth here. Hey, easy there, boy. No synchros on this. And I really can't tell because I can't see the screen very well in the sun and wearing sunglasses, but I think the camera's screwing up quite a bit. Anyway, this is the last little stretch home. If it looks like it's messing up, I'll set it off and just pull it in the shed and show you the turn-off procedures and all that stuff. Okay, here we go. There's my house, my woods. There's my Jeep. And the John Deere and the farm hall. Okay. Alright. It looks like it's messing up again, so we'll just have to see.